Hey guys, it's Burgas here, and in this video I'll talk about why accuracy is a key for success in the higher level dungeon stages. Now, accuracy is important for a lot of dungeons is just because of the debuffs. What I mean by that is if I check my hero, for example, Sigrid, one of my favorite hero, she definitely needs a lot of accuracy. She's also a captain that is providing some accuracy to her team in the battle, and there is a reason behind. Definitely there is a reason behind, and it's because of these debuffs: healing prohibition and attack penalty. To actually inflict these debuffs and enemy not resist these debuffs, you definitely are going to need accuracy. And this is very important because on the hard stages the bosses is going to hit like a trucks, most of the bosses of course, and you definitely want to have something to apply as a debuff to reduce this huge damage that is going to hit you. That's why on the hard stages it didn't actually matter which one is going to be, you definitely need accuracy. I will maybe go over a couple dungeons, maybe for example, okay, let's go for the gear one. The Grave of Venom, you definitely want to have this attack penalty on the boss because the boss is going to crush your tank if you don't have this debuff applied before the harpy start hitting a lot your tank. And this is of course for the rest of the dungeons. For example, Grave of Wrath, here even you want to have bigger accuracy because you also want to have healing prohibition on the boss, and this is going to definitely help you. First of all, the boss is not going to heal, and second, the boss is not going to do this big damage that is due. Grave of Curse is also flame domain. You just need to apply the right buffs, and this is the beauty of this game because you can actually defeat very strong bosses with right heroes and right debuffs and of course buffs. And if you don't have the accuracy to actually apply this debuff on the right moment, believe me, the boss can one-shot your whole team if you don't get these debuffs on the time. So yeah, I just wanted to make this video about the accuracy because I think this is one of the, maybe if not one of the most important stats that your heroes is going to have, and you definitely want to have a lot of accuracy, for example, on your heroes with debuff. And yeah, I guess this will be for this I don't think short video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you do, hit one like, subscribe, and see you in the next amazing Dragonheir Silent Gods video.